Welcome to the freelancing revolution. The world of work is changing. More and more people are choosing to become their own boss. Freelancing is on the rise. In 2024, it's a global phenomenon. Millions of people are finding freedom and flexibility through freelance work. This is not just a trend, it's a new way of working. So why is freelancing so popular? Well, people want more control over their time and income. Technology makes it easier than ever to connect with clients worldwide. The traditional 9-to-5 job is losing its appeal for many. Freelancing offers a viable alternative. It's an exciting time to be a freelancer. This guide will help you navigate the exciting world of freelancing. We'll explore the hottest opportunities in 2024. You'll learn essential skills and strategies for success. We'll also share expert insights from successful freelancers. Get ready to earn big and embrace the freelance revolution. In our next section, we delve into hot opportunities, skills, and niches in 2024. The freelancing marketplace is booming with opportunities. Certain skills are in high demand. Web development, content creation, and digital marketing are hot areas. Businesses need talented freelancers to help them thrive online. If you have skills in these areas, you're in luck. Other in-demand niches include graphic design, virtual assistants, and online tutoring. The rise of e-commerce has created a need for skilled freelancers. Businesses need help with everything from website design to customer service. Find your niche and specialize in what you do best. Don't be afraid to explore new areas. Emerging technologies like AI and blockchain are creating exciting opportunities. Stay curious and adaptable to stay ahead of the curve. The freelance landscape is constantly evolving, so be prepared to learn and grow. Research different platforms and marketplaces to find the best fit for your skills. Network with other freelancers to learn from their experiences. Embrace the challenge and explore the many opportunities that await you in the world of freelancing. Moving on to success strategies, level up your freelancing game. To succeed as a freelancer, you need more than just skills. You need a strategic approach. Start by building a strong online presence. Create a professional website or portfolio that showcases your work. Use social media to connect with potential clients. Networking is crucial in the freelance world. Attend industry events both online and offline. Join online communities and forums related to your field. Build relationships with other freelancers and potential clients. Word-of-mouth referrals can be a powerful source of new business. Delivering high-quality work is essential for building a strong reputation. Set realistic deadlines and communicate clearly with clients. Go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Positive client feedback and testimonials will help you attract more work. And don't be afraid to negotiate your rates. Value your skills and experience. Research industry standards to determine fair pricing. Remember, you're running a business, so treat it professionally. Section 4. Expert Insights, Real-World Advice for Freelancers. We ask successful freelancers for their top tips. Focus on building relationships, says Sarah J., a freelance writer. Clients want to work with someone they trust and connect with. Building a personal brand can set you apart from the competition. Don't be afraid to say no, advises John M., a freelance web developer. It's okay to turn down projects that aren't a good fit. Focusing on your strengths and ideal clients will lead to greater success. Continuously learn and improve your skills, recommends Maria K., a freelance graphic designer. The industry is always evolving, so stay ahead of the curve. Investing in your professional development is key to long-term success. These insights highlight the importance of personal branding, selectivity, and continuous learning. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the freelance market. Section 5. Maximizing earnings, practical tips for higher income. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is the potential to earn more. To maximize your income, consider offering package deals or subscriptions. This can provide a steady stream of revenue. Upselling and cross-selling related services can also boost your earnings. Time management is crucial for freelancers. Track your hours and focus on high-value tasks. Automate repetitive tasks to free up more time for client work. Efficient work habits can significantly increase your earning potential. Don't be afraid to raise your rates as you gain experience and expertise. Regularly review your pricing to ensure it reflects your current market value. Remember, your skills are valuable, and you deserve to be compensated fairly. Explore different income streams. Consider creating and selling digital products such as online courses or ebooks. Diversifying your income can provide greater financial stability and growth. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the freelance future. The world of freelancing is full of opportunities. By understanding the trends, developing essential skills, and implementing smart strategies, you can achieve freelance success. Remember to stay adaptable, learn continuously, and build strong relationships. Don't be afraid to embrace the challenges and rewards of freelancing in 2024. Take control of your career, set your own terms, and achieve your financial goals. The freelance revolution is here to stay. Whether you're seeking greater flexibility, higher income, or the freedom to be your own boss, freelancing offers a path to achieve your goals. The future of work is flexible, independent, and full of possibilities. Take the first step today. Explore the opportunities, develop your skills, and start building your freelance empire. The world is your oyster.